Yo, what up? Who is this? Who is it?
It's me again, Jrizzy. Chicken weiner.
What? What you gonna call him? We don't block for crazy ass.
I know. I had to use one of my 350 fake accounts. I sent you the money. Did you get it?
Yeah. We got that. You wanna send us some more?
You got the $2 for the drink and for some drugs? And all the other ones from Peanut? 'Cause you know I love my pretty girl. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Yeah. We need some more. Right now. We're gonna block this number two. And Maddie says, we'll come on her live. We don't want nobody knowing we talking to a loony old drunk like you.
I love my pretty girl. And I need to see her on YouTube. 24/7. That's my only job, Jrizzy. Come on.
Listen, I know I'm a lower down bum and snuck in grass, but even associating with you makes us look like the lowest of low.
Okay, Jrizzy. I'm gonna come back on the live. Just please don't block me. I was wanting to see if you could send me some more pics.
What? What pics? What are you talking about?
You know, the naughty pics.
Lady, how drunk are you? I'm disgusting and hard up for cash, but I ain't sending you no pics. I ain't sending no chicken who thinks he's a rooster and he think pics.
But Jrizzy, Minor said they were you. That they were your pics. I thought they looked strange, but I still loved them. You standing there in the basement with those pimples popping out and that weird face. It didn't even matter if I was a little drunk. I could still see I'm in love.
You are crazy. That's not me. That picture's of Kenzie. He sent me them pictures. You can have it. And you can have each other. You do the same. Make fun of people, but then they coming on here sending us money. Tell you what, you both keep your crazy checks. Don't be calling us no more. You can send you some nudes. Maddie, she done said we done lost enough money with this dang French toast contest. We don't need to be associated with no crazy, daggone loony drunk.
Wait, Jrizzy, I wanted to start you a private OnlyFans with this you and me. Damn it, Jrizzy, don't do this. Please, I can't believe this every time. Damn it, I'm getting helping you can forget it. I'm getting out here. It's a bullshit, Jrizzy.